Hi, welcome back to the Monteban channel and another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing Snake King 950. Say hello, Snake King 950.
Hi, and hi.
His PC. Here it is. Excited? Yeah. It's a medium spec GTX 1660 Super based machine. So not as powerful as the 3080 that we unboxed last time, but hopefully it should be good enough to do the job. Shouldn't it? That's what we're hoping. It's got a Ryzen 5 3800, I think it is, processor in it, with 16 gig of RAM, SSD drive, terabyte hard drive. It works. From Scan, another Scan PC. So let's get into it, shall we? So do you want to have a look at that top box? So this box, you can show it to the camera. That's the motherboard that's in this thing. It's an Asus Prime, and this they just put all like the gubbins, the extra pieces. So that's your restore USB pen. So if the system goes down for whatever reason, you can stick that in and it will reset everything. Power lead, we'll be needing that later.
Yep.
The aerial for your wireless network card, we'll be plugging that in, and bits and pieces. I love how they give you like drivers, like TP-Link for USB and stuff like that on CD-ROMs. It doesn't have a CD-ROM drive. So, useful. There we go.
I have no idea what you just blabbered on about.
Important stuff. Well,
I mean, what we hopefully want is just to run No Man's Sky VR. That's all I want.
That's what you want,
yeah.
mainly in life, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's
just
just
it's so bad, the frame rate.
It's just for some of your games to
Yeah.
to be a little bit more smoother, isn't it? Because you know you got your index.
Doesn't run well.
Please feel free to check out our index unboxing video.
Oh, guys. So will it be like all together, or do we need to like put it together?
No, it's all together already.
All together. Ooh, it's like polystyrene.
Yay! Yay!
Woo!
Right, should we put it up the right way? So, which is the right way is probably going to be
No idea.
this way. So, if I hold the box, do you want to try pulling it out? Or yeah. Here we go. Oh!
No, it's ripped. Oh, whoops.
Okay.
There's a rip down.
Hold the bottom bit of polystyrene, honey.
Hold.
That's it.
Sorry.
That's it. You got it.
Yeah.
It's like a spaceship.
Shall I lift it up so you can
Yeah,
take the polystyrene? Oh, it's not easy.
it's pretty heavy, isn't
Okay. It's actually quite light. Yeah, for a PC. And it's small.
It's not light.
Hey? Is there a...
I accidentally ripped it.
Oh, we just ripped it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Whew.
Right.
Oh.
So, look at it from the front there.
Oh. I was just about to say that looks really ugly, but you have to peel it off.
Do you want the honours of peeling off the
Wait,
plastic?
we need to put like the mic so like ASMR.
Nice. In there. And you've probably got a similar thing to do on the side.
Oh.
So on the top here you got USB, you got mic, headphones, blanking plate for something there. Now that button there changes, these are RGB light up panels.
Ooh.
And that changes the colour.
Oh.
So it's got something like 14 different modes that you can put the lighting on this thing on. Quite fancy.
Yeah.
Right, do you want to unscrew
I want to peel
the
it.
panel? It might be easier to unscrew it first,
Oh, you're
because the
right.
screws will be in the way.
Is it
Yeah, it's not a door.
Lefty Lucy.
It's not a door panel like mine. My 38. It's just
Is
a
it like
panel.
see-through? Is it glass?
Eh?
Is it glass that you can
Am I
see
doing it
lights
the wrong
through?
way? So what we realised is actually there is a crosshatch in the bolt here, so we can put a Phillips screwdriver in it. So all I need is a little toolkit. So if I just, there we go, that worked.
Wow!
Wow!
Magic! Wow!
That were magic. Let's try that.
Oh, that works. It's a lot more efficient.
That's a bit better, wasn't it?
There was 4 off, but we've only got 3.
Right, do you want to
Oh, yes.
zoom in close up?
Okay.
You ready? Oh. It's not very...
And the other side.
Handprint on it.
Oh no.
Oh no!
This is the thing I'm really interested in.
It's
Is,
red bubble wrap! Sorry.
yeah. One of the things I was really interested in is it packed to the same level of packaging as the 3080 as a premium computer? Have they put the same level of insulation in it?
It's bubble wrap.
Is it full of? Is it full?
It's full inside.
Right, careful. That's it.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is fancy.
One of the nice features on this one is that the air filter, the vent on the top here, is magnetic, so you can remove it. You can clean it out with a cloth, and then it just magnetizes back on,
Whoa.
which is quite nice. It's
I
quite, a
didn't
nice,
even know that was there.
quite a nice feature
Yeah.
of this box. So
There's another side.
yeah, you're gonna have to peel that off as well. Do you want to peel that off now?
Even better. I'm gonna do it like really quickly.
Oh.
I don't know the handprint on it. Oh, no.
Right, there we go.
Perfect.
The standard scan warning. Remove all bubble wrap before
Oh,
switching it on.
I have removed all the bubble wrap.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what have we got in here? We've got our GTX 1660 Super, and like on my other scan computers, they've always been EVGA graphics cards, and I love EVGA graphics cards, so that's really good. We've got the AMD Ryzen processor, we've got the Corsair 16 gig of RAM, and it's all nicely built. 550 watt power supply, again Corsair, all built in the kind of specs that I expect from Scan, and nice machine.
Even better, I've seen Anna's one and it goes up.
Yeah,
That's amazing. I
Yeah.
like flashy ones.
you like flashy lights.
Yes.
This PC came with a 23.5 inch monitor, a Asus TUF keyboard, Asus TUF mouse, Asus TUF headset, and the whole lot was £970 from Scan. So I think as a bundle, as a whole deal,
Pretty cheap.
it's quite a good.
And the keyboard was great. I love you say something's
We will set this all up. Oh, do you want to put the slide back on? And I'll just put it on top of my 3080. Excuse the mess in my
better.
room.
When I screw it up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you want-
It's a bent screw.
It's a bit annoying.
I wonder if there are spare screws in the...
There might be. Well, I'll just...
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, it kind of aligned it up if you push it. Yeah, there you go. Now it's
Just have to give it a bit of force.
nice.
So yeah, we just put this over here. Align the backs.
Oh, it's quite a lot smaller.
Okay.
Like quite a lot smaller.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it really is quite a lot smaller.
Right, so here it is. So that's the 3080 down there, and that's the 1660 on top. I don't know if you can quite see from that, but it is quite a bit smaller.
More compact.
More compact. So now we will take this PC, we'll plug it in up in the VR room and start setting it up. And then yeah, a snap of our fingers, hopefully we'll just go straight to this thing switched on, set up, and all ready. So
3,
2, 1. So this is it. This is the 1660 GTX computer from Scan. Mostly Asus and Corsair components. And this is what it looks like when it's on. That's it in rainbow colours. So as I was saying, as we were unboxing it, there's a button here, and if you push it, you can have it off. You can have it in like a disco mode, and with various colour combinations. You can have it pulsating different colours. Well, that's quite nice. Yeah, so it does various. You could just have it red. Quite nice, just red. I think we like it on rainbow. Just leave it on rainbow for a minute. Go through all the colour ranges. There we go, rainbow. So that's the PC. That's the Asus TUF keyboard. Don't know whether it's TUF or TUF or. It also has a lot of colour options for the keys. It has a handy volume knob. The Asus TUF headset and the mouse. And the monitor's not here because Alex likes to use this OTV because it's bigger. But yeah, we've got the keyboard, the mouse, the headset, and the PC. And what do you think, Hal? Is it an improvement?
Very improvement.
Improvement over your last PC?
Very much so.
Yeah. You're still happy in your VR world, aren't you?
I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. That's about it, really. Yeah, I will say that when it arrived from Scan, the headset and the keyboard were missing. That's the first time we've ever had a delivery from Scan which has been incomplete. But contacted Scan and they sorted it out straight away, and it arrived within a couple of days. So hats off to them for sorting it out really quickly. No hassle at all. So yeah, that was that's our unboxing video for the 1660 GTX computer. I hope you enjoyed it, and join us again next time on the Montalban channel. Cheers.